My name is Tiffany Albertson, and I'm an executive with Isagenix. I'm going to walk you through unpacking your 30-day system. You may have ordered a premium or a value pack, so I'll cover some products that you might find in your box additionally. First thing you're going to notice is a 30-day product guide. It'll walk you through the basics of a shake day and a cleanse day. And within this pack, you're going to find a calendar that lets you create a map for your month that works for your schedule and your desired results. Additionally, you're going to find an app that you can download on your phone. It's called the Isalife app, and it lets you have a handheld version of this that lets you have the convenience to know how to walk through this system right in the palm of your hands. In each one of your boxes, you're going to find 4 canisters of our amazing Isagenix shake. This is our whey-based shake, and it also comes in a 24-gram plant-based shake. One option you might have chosen is a 36-gram meal replacement shake. It's called our Performance Protein. So each one of these canisters provides 14 complete meals in a 40-30-30 carb, fat, and protein ratio that allows your body to have everything it needs to feel best. And it's a great way that we use as a foundation for our 30-day system. In your box, you're also going to find 2 bottles or perhaps a small powdered canister of Cleanse for Life. This allows you to walk through a cleanse or a detox day. This is an aloe vera based tonic that allows your body to detox heavy metals, pollutions, stagnant sugars, things held in your body that we'd like to release through your liver and kidney urination. You're also going to find either a canister or this bottle of Ionic Supreme. This is our daily tonic for wellness and energy. You're going to see an improvement in your mental clarity, your energy, and just all around performance. This is an adaptogen formulation, and it is so nutrient dense that you're going to crave this every day. I take 1 ounce first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. On our cleanse days, you're going to find some cleanse support products. It might look like a canister of snacks, or you may have chosen a specific snack from our customized list. You'll find a bottle of Natural Accelerator. This is a thermogenic product designed to raise your basal temperature 1 degree and allows your body to burn more fat on your cleanse days and your shake days. And you're also going to find a magnesium product called IsaFlush, and this is vital that you take this every day at the end of the day with water just to have good results for your cleanse and let your body have everything it needs. Some of the optional products that you might find if you ordered that premium or the value pack are products in a can. They are an energy drink called Bia. You may have chosen a small adaptogen energy drink called an E+ energy shot. On the value pack, you may have gotten a product called NAD or our amazing Pura plant vitamins. And then you're going to have had options for specific products like our amazing collagen elixir, an adaptogen elixir, and we have a brain nootropic that I just cannot live without. Collagen bone broth is an option that you may choose when you're looking in your back office on your phone or in your handheld device that you can add for a very, very good cleanse day success. And then I cannot live without these greens. I put this in one of my shakes every day. So if you did not see those products in your pack, then you started with our 30-day system, and that is a foundation for wellness that we have used in our house for almost a decade. If some of these products that I showed you look like something you might like to try, reach out to the person that invited you here, and we're going to help you customize orders so that you get exactly what you need going forward. Download the Isalife app so you have those conveniences at your fingertips. Join our 11-day reset page or plug into any of the team members that you might know through our community, and we would be happy to assist you along your 30-day journey. Welcome to the Isagenix family, and we're excited for your results.